Morning everybody. Just like that, we're all set up for mulching. Alright, let's get to it. Hello! Tro's just about to leave. Just waiting on one cow here. Still mulching away. Hey there, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. It's away. Mulching away this morning again. Waiting on here. Dallas waiting to get mulched. That's us for this morning. We're going to go wait for Tessa to arrive, and apparently she's bringing a couple of friends, Mackenzie and Dallas's friends, to come and hop on the farm and go and chop some maize with us. Quite cool. Right, we'll just play the waiting game now and then let's go chop some maize. There we go. Lennox and Bo. Hello. Oh, you alright?
And Uncle Cal.
Yeah, and Uncle Cal. Watching? Ah, missed! I was going to cover them in maize. Do you see Mackenzie and Dallas over there? Oh, that's a good load. What do we do?
We covered them in.
We covered them in maize, didn't we? So what happened?
I thought we were finished loading.
Yeah, she stopped.
Yeah, and you're on rabbit.
It's a good load. There's Casey. Hey, Casey. There we go. Lennox, Mackenzie, Dallas, and Bo. Yeah, I've got it. It's on the roof. Yeah, I'm going to have to wash the tractor off now, Tessa. Thank you. Oh, no, look at all the maize. We're going to have to wash the tractor.
Yes, you.
Yeah, he said when to go.
No,
Yeah. It was funny though, wasn't it?
no. Yes, it was. No.
Yeah. Right, let's go. Go feed some cows some maize.
Right.
Yes, we're hitting tree as you can see there.
Mom,
Yeah, I had to back
tell
up.
my Dad.
You gonna tell your dad?
I'm
Oh no.
gonna tell my dad that you broke off a tree.
Yeah, I did break off a tree branch.
No,
Hey,
tell my
Mackenzie.
dad- No, you.
Well,
no.
hold on.
I'll stand up a bit.
Hold on.
Are we going to go over there?
Mackenzie cow is coming along. She's somewhere around here. Over there. Mackenzie cow. Yes, the pooping one.
Is she just standing still?
Yeah, they're waiting for us to drive over here to feed them their maize. We're feeding the maize now.
Hey, I know what.
Yeah. Well, who's Knox? One of them's Knox. We'll name that one Knox. Mackenzie, what are you naming one? Oh, it's picked us up. But that's alright.
Is that my name?
Yeah, your one's in here somewhere. Next. Got names around everywhere. Which one wants to be named Bo? Which one?
Me, I know what one. That one there, that black one with some white hunter in it.
Oh yeah, that one's Bo. Okay. That's a good name.
No, I was naming Skippo.
Skipbo.
Yeah, that's a
Skippo.
card game.
Ah. Oh, it's a weekend.
have-
Dallas is right there. Dallas is driving the ute. He's a crazy
Take
driver.
the horn! Take the horn! Did they do the one?
I couldn't hear them.
I heard
They're
the
watching us
horn.
feeding out the maize.
You guys should eat some. Dallas and Mackenzie and my...
We got two little drivers. Go, go, go.
yeah.
We're running over maize back there.
Uh-oh.
We're too sharp, we're too sharp. We're running over Maize. We're on our way. Yeah? They're standing up back here. Yeah, hitting your heads up there. Right. That's all right. And there's the mummies and Dallas is in front. Don't worry, we've still got 2 dogs.
No one's in front.
You found the horn.
No one's in We're not yet, Maize. We're not Maize.
They probably can't hear you. It's quite loud out here.
We might go in. We might go like what?
Alright, you two are going to tell me when to go, right?
So I'll tell you. Yeah. No, no, no! No!
I'm going.
Yeah! So close! So close and clear. We can try next time. Yeah. We'll give them next time. Yeah! Number 3! This is number 2. Hey, number 3!
It's a successful load. We're all good, ready to go for tomorrow. Thank you, Mackenzie. Thank you, Bo. Lennox, thank you. And Casey and Tessa, thank you very much. There he is. The little man. There they go, they all hit it off. We're going to go hook up, we've disconnected the tractor, we're going to put the bucket on the tractor. And going to put the bucket on the tractor. And we're going to go and wash the tractor and actually empty out the stone trap. Because there's gotten a lot of stones in that trap. Yeah, it's about time that got cleaned out. You can see there, quite a lot of stones made in it. We'll put it all here, and then that'll be us. Yeah, we've dropped the forks. We're gonna pick up the bucket. That's it. Got it locked in. Only one way to make sure it's locked in. Looks good. Alright, let's go clean out this the stone trap. That's alright, that's our first bucket. Maybe we should need to put her in 4-wheel drive. Go. Put her in the stone trap just like this. Put her in the bunker here to the side of it. Beauty. And that's it. We'll keep cleaning her out. The only problem with this is tractor's so wide that it struggles to get down into here. So I grabbed as much of it as I could. Believe it or not, that's only 2 bucketfuls. See, this nowhere near how much was actually in it. So, yeah. Oh well, that'll be alright. And because the tyres are so wide, see how she scraped in there? Scraped on here, so I can't go too far in to get that last bit. There's 3 bucketfuls generally in this one. I can only get 1.5, really, 1 3/4, so it shows you. Right, we'll just put our little crate back and that should be us. There we are. Crate's back there. The graters. So yeah, oh well, it's all part of it. We're going to wash the tractor first because someone covered her in maize. Oh, we've got the round bar feeder on and the forks on. We'll go load up. This will never get old. Although, it'll run out of stretchy eventually. Let's grab 2 more bales of silage for tonight. Anyone's wondering how much maize we got left, we've still got this whole paddock here, and probably maybe 2.5 days, maybe 3 days in there. So yeah, we got enough for Sunday and Monday by the look of it, and possibly even Tuesday. So come on Wednesday, we'll be opening that paddock up. We're into our last maize paddock. The water line that goes to this trough here and goes up this side and feeds those 2 troughs down there. This is the back of the farm here. Here it is here. Just in this little V of a drain. It's not really a drain because it doesn't run water very often. Yeah, there it is. And it comes through from over that side there. This is how the old fella, before Dad properly set these up, he'd run the water line so far, then drop it underneath the race to the next one, come back down, and then run it underneath the race again to the next one. Instead, Dad runs his water line down the centre, down that side of the race, and he'll drop just 1 line under to go to the water trough, rather than the whole water line coming underneath the race. So yeah, that's it, it's good. There's no water leaks down here, I'm happy. And we've got our paddock set up for tonight. Let's go next door, let's go see how the neighbour's going. He's just over there. I see him stopping a few times. Let's see what's happening. The water was having a bit of issues. Because if you see here, that's what the county supply is sitting at. Just under 25 PSI. Dad's got the pump set up so it turns off at 50. So there's got to be a leak in the water line somewhere, but it's from the main side. Yeah, so as you can see there, it's dropped off a little bit more. So the county will be finding that. Whose farm's that next door? We're just driving down the neighbour's place here. He's got a lot more trees than us. I do want to plant trees. We'll get to planting trees eventually. So he's got some real nice trees. Beautiful. Yeah, I want to plant some trees, but probably not by the raceway. I'm going to plant them down between paddocks. Go a bit slower across here. A little drain. Yeah. Good. Always quite peaceful in this place. Always seems different on a neighbour's property, doesn't it? Especially when you're driving down the raceway. Grass there. Great. Oh, wow. He looks like he has a little motorbike spray and a pasture spray, so he's put on his pasture spray and a motorbike spray. It's nice and soft down this end, as you see. It just shows the difference. It's like peak, lowland peak versus highland clay. Am I on the wrong race? I don't really want to drive in there. It's looking a bit soft in this area. But no, it looks good. It's coming up great. Before, after. That's perfect. That's how you want it to come up. We'll go see how he's going. Nice. I talked to the neighbour. He said it's all going well. There's no hassles at all. So, it's good. Oh, bugger. Look at all that maize. Just couldn't get it. Chopper tried. Probably got a quarter of those plants through that area. Yeah, far out. Just one of those things, eh? That wind was bugger. Right. Well, he's in the same boat as us with willowweed. But he said that the neighbour here said he just went and mowed it. It seems to have come back really well. The paddocks that he's mowed. Good afternoon, everybody. These girls are off up to the cowshed. We sent another 3,248 litres, so seem to be pretty stagnated around that mark. It's a little bit windy. Girls are coming out. Alright, let's get to milking. As you can see in here, there was more eating if they wanted it, so they definitely weren't hungry. They didn't need that bale of silage. good we didn't feed it out. They're eating all their maize. They're happy. I'll see you all up at the front. Just gonna check some drains. Just closing the gate here. We won't let you walk down the back tonight. How's that sound, okay? We'll put you in, and then instead of milking you, we'll milk you, and then not let you go down the back, okay? Because you're still hobbling. You're alright walking from that far, but not too bad. No, you're not going straight ahead. Left hand down. Come on. Left hand down. Come on. Come on. Good girl. You up you go. Come on. You're going to be putting the paddock out here tonight. Alright. Only Thea's ready to let the first row go. They'll be off. How you doing, Thea? Yeah. You alright? Let's go home. Work wasn't too hectic? Work wasn't too hectic?
No, it's good.
Oh, that's good. That's good. There's another row going out. There's washing up. Good job there. And you even got the hobble girls out.
Yeah.
Thank you. Awesome. Up and carry on. Keep milking. Come on, girls. Up and go. And last row headed out. There's washing up. Just putting the water through. Wee baby. Very nice. Like that. Yeah. See you there.
See ya.
Catch you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
What do we say there?
Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the morning.
Perfect. Thank you. Right, I'll finish washing this up and I'll go feed out. And we'll see Thea in the morning. Come on, go Limpy girls. Got some nice silage. Happy as. Look at your face. Just loving it. Reloaded with silage, and then we'll go over there. Once we take the tractor back, get the motorbike, come down and get the carryover girls and put them on the stock bank that way. So, awesome. Right. Let's keep going. She's got the maize wagon on her. And we'll set up these gates here and go shift these carryovers. Why I didn't shift the carryovers earlier today, I didn't notice them till I was getting the cows in. They have got not much grass left, so they'll better to shift them now than it's done. That way in the morning I just got to milk, feed out, and I got the rest of the day relaxing back. Still more. Here we go. Awesome. Let's go find some carryovers. Hello, Jamie. How are you, darling? Hello. Hungry, eh? Right. Follow me. Come on. Follow me. We'll put you on the stock bin. Hey, Jamie. Hello. Jamie. Good girl. In you go, girls. Come on. Come on. Don't run it over. I thought you girls would be more hungry than that. Oh well. That's him happy. They'll be in there for a while by the look of this. See you all at Mum and Dad's run off. I'll see you all up at Mum and Dad's. It's time to go shift those little calves. I got a phone call from Dad. He said go home. So I come up to his place. I grabbed 2 bottles of rum. I'm going to go home. Have a great night, everybody. See you in the morning.